Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite tournaments. For players under 13, parental consent is absolutely essential for participation. You'll need an Epic Games account with your correct birth date, and setting up parental controls is a smart move to manage game access and ensure a safe online experience. This helps everyone enjoy the competition responsibly. Securing your account is a crucial step before competing. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your information from unauthorized access. Make sure all your Epic Games account details are accurate, especially your birth date. It's also a good idea to link your account to a parent's email address so they receive important notifications and can help manage your settings effectively. This keeps your competitive journey safe. Selecting the right VR headset is key. Remember, you'll need a PC-tethered headset, as standalone units won't work for War Thunder. Excellent choices include the Valve Index or a Meta Quest headset utilizing its link cable for PC connection. Always ensure your chosen headset connects seamlessly to your gaming computer. Take time to properly calibrate your VR play space. This ensures both comfort and safety during intense aerial dogfights or tank battles. Once you're ready, you can join tournaments directly from the Compete tab within the game. Remember to always uphold Epic Games' Code of Conduct, which promotes fair play and a positive environment for everyone. Good sportsmanship is key. Celebrate your victories gracefully and learn from your losses. The goal is to have fun, improve your skills, and enjoy the thrill of competition responsibly, whether you win or lose.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.